Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to add page numbers in Google Docs. Like and subscribe, support the channel. Let's get started. To add page numbering to the Google Docs document, go to the Insert tab, then Page Numbers, and select one of the formatting options provided. Numbering in the upper right corner on each page, in the lower right corner on each page. Either skip the numbering for the first page from the top or from the bottom. This is provided for the case when you have a title page. Select any option and the numbering is added. If we click More Options, then in the window that opens, we can set the numbering manually. Top or bottom, show the numbering on the first page or not, and most importantly, which number to start numbering from. Click Apply. Additionally, you need to consider the size of the footer or header here on the left on the ruler. The ruler here is not as noticeable as in Word, but it performs the same function. We can also change the font size and the appearance of the numbering. Double-click on the page number, select the number with the left mouse button and edit it as plain text. Change the font size, make it bold, change the color, and so on. And to change the numbering location, put the cursor in front of the number and use the backspace key and the numbering shifts to the left. To return it to the right, press the Tab button. Finally, when we added the numbering on the first page, we can select the different first page checkbox and thus separate the first page from the entire document. This means that for the first page, we can either delete the number or make it different from the rest of the document. And to remove the numbering from the entire document, go to the footer, select the number with the left mouse button and click Delete on the keyboard. Alternatively, click Options and select Remove Footer. And the numbering has been removed. That's all. Now in Ultimo.